Making money online has become a viable option for many, and there are countless ways to tap into this digital goldmine. Let's dive into some of the most effective methods. First up, freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your skills, be it writing, graphic design, or programming, to a global audience. It's a flexible way to earn money, and you can set your own rates. The key is to build a strong portfolio and gather positive reviews, which will help you attract more clients. Next, consider affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can start a blog, create YouTube videos, or even leverage social media to share your affiliate links. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can earn passive income once you've set everything up. Another popular avenue is e-commerce. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to start your own online store. You can sell anything from handmade crafts to dropshipping products. The dropshipping model is particularly appealing because you don't need to hold inventory. You simply partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating and selling online courses. Websites like Udemy and Teachable allow you to share your knowledge while earning money. The initial effort in creating the course can pay off significantly as students enroll over time. Then there's content creation. Whether it's blogging, podcasting, or vlogging, creating engaging content can lead to monetization through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. The key is to find your niche and consistently provide value to your audience. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies is another way to make money online. While it requires some research and understanding of the market, platforms like Robinhood and Coinbase make it accessible for beginners. Just remember, investing carries risks, so it's crucial to educate yourself before diving in. For those with a knack for writing, self-publishing ebooks can be a lucrative venture. You can write about anything you're passionate about and publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle. Once your book is out there, it can generate income for years to come. Virtual assisting is also gaining traction. Many businesses are looking for remote help with administrative tasks, social media management, and customer service. If you're organized and tech-savvy, this could be a great fit for you. Lastly, consider online surveys and market research. While it won't make you rich, participating in surveys can provide some extra cash or gift cards. Websites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks offer opportunities to share your opinions and get rewarded. In summary, the internet is brimming with opportunities to make money. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or content creation, the possibilities are endless. The most important thing is to find what resonates with you and take action. With dedication and creativity, you can carve out your own path to financial success online. Cryptocurrency has transformed the way we think about money, investments, and even our daily transactions. It's not just a trend, it's a revolution. I've been diving deep into the world of crypto and crypto apps, and I want to share some insights that could help you navigate this exciting landscape. First off, let's talk about the basics. Cryptocurrency is digital money that operates on blockchain technology. This decentralized system means no single entity controls it, which is a huge advantage. It's secure, transparent, and most importantly, it opens up a world of opportunities for making money. One of the most straightforward ways to start is through buying and holding cryptocurrencies. Think of it like investing in stocks. You buy low and sell high. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the big players, but there are thousands of altcoins out there. Research is key here. Look for projects with solid fundamentals, a strong community, and real-world applications. Then there's trading. This is where things can get a bit more complex, but also more rewarding. Day trading or swing trading can yield significant profits if you know what you're doing. You'll need to familiarize yourself with technical analysis, understanding charts, patterns, and indicators. It's a skill that takes time to develop, but the potential returns can be substantial. Crypto apps have made this process much easier. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies with just a few taps on your phone. They often come with educational resources so you can learn as you go. Some apps even offer features like staking, where you can earn interest on your crypto holdings. It's like having a savings account, but with much higher returns. Another avenue is decentralized finance, or DeFi. This is a game changer. DeFi platforms let you lend, borrow, and earn interest on your crypto without intermediaries. You can provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges and earn fees in return. It's a bit more technical, but the rewards can be significant. Just be cautious. While the potential is high, so are the risks. Let's not forget about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. They've exploded in popularity, and while they're often associated with digital art, their applications are vast. You can create, buy, and sell NFTs, and some people are making a fortune doing so. If you have a creative side, this could be an exciting way to monetize your talents. Lastly, always keep security in mind. Use hardware wallets to store your cryptocurrencies safely. Be wary of scams and phishing attempts. The crypto world can be a wild west at times. Educate yourself about best practices for securing your assets. In conclusion, making money with crypto and crypto apps is not just about luck. It's about knowledge, strategy, and a willingness to learn. Stay informed, adapt to the ever-changing landscape, and you could find yourself not just participating in this revolution, but thriving in it. I want to share my experience making money with food delivery services like Uber Eats and DoorDash. It's a flexible gig that can fit into just about anyone's schedule, and I've learned some valuable tips along the way. First off, timing is everything. If you want to maximize your earnings, you need to know when to hit the road. Peak hours like lunch and dinner are prime time for deliveries. I've found that weekends can be especially lucrative, with people ordering in more often. But don't just rely on the obvious times. Consider late-night deliveries too. You'd be surprised how many people order food after a night out. Next, let's talk about the zones. Each delivery app has its own designated areas where demand is higher. I've spent some time figuring out which neighborhoods have the most orders and the best tips. It's all about being strategic. If you're in a busy area, you can stack orders, which means picking up multiple deliveries at once. This not only saves time, but also boosts your earnings significantly. Now, let's discuss the importance of customer service. It might seem simple, but being friendly and communicative can lead to better tips. I always make sure to follow the delivery instructions closely and keep customers updated if there's a delay. A quick message saying, "I'm on my way," or "I'm just waiting for the food" can go a long way. People appreciate the effort, and it often reflects in the tip. Another tip is to keep your expenses in check. Gas, maintenance, and wear and tear on your vehicle can eat into your profits. I've found that using a mileage tracking app helps me keep tabs on my expenses, making tax time a lot easier. Plus, some apps offer bonuses for completing a certain number of deliveries, so keep an eye out for those promotions. Let's not forget about the power of multi-apping. Signing up for multiple delivery services can increase your chances of getting orders. If one app is slow, you can switch to another. It's all about keeping your options open and maximizing your time on the road. And here's a little secret: don't shy away from smaller orders. While they might seem less appealing, they can add up quickly. Plus, they often have shorter delivery times, allowing you to complete more in a shorter period. Lastly, always stay safe. Whether it's keeping your vehicle in good shape or following safety protocols during deliveries, your well-being is the most important thing. So, if you're looking to make some extra cash, consider diving into food delivery. With the right strategies, it can be a rewarding and flexible way to earn money. Just remember to stay organized, be strategic, and keep a positive attitude. You might just find that it's more than just a side hustle. It can be a fun way to explore your city while making money.
Investing is one of the most powerful tools we have for building wealth. And today, I want to dive into some key investment accounts that can help you secure your financial future. The 401k, the Roth IRA, and a few others worth knowing about. Let's start with the 401k. This is an employer-sponsored retirement plan that allows you to save for retirement while enjoying some tax benefits. When you contribute to a 401k, your contributions are made pre-tax, which means you're lowering your taxable income for the year. This would be a huge advantage. Plus, many employers offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money. If your employer matches your contributions, make sure you're contributing enough to get that full match. It's like a guaranteed return on your investment. Now, let's talk about the Roth IRA. This account is a bit different. With a Roth IRA, you contribute money that has already been taxed, which means your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. This can be a game changer, especially if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket when you retire. The beauty of a Roth IRA is that your money grows tax-free, and you won't owe any taxes when you take it out. Plus, you can withdraw your contributions at any time without penalties, making it a flexible option for those who might need access to their funds before retirement. Another account to consider is the traditional IRA. Similar to the Roth, this is an individual retirement account. But with a traditional IRA, your contributions may be tax-deductible, depending on your income and whether you have access to a workplace retirement plan. The money grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on it until you withdraw in retirement. This can be beneficial if you want to lower your taxable income now. Let's not forget about health savings accounts, or HSAs. If you have a high-deductible health plan, an HSA can be a fantastic investment vehicle. Contributions are tax-deductible, the money grows tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. It's like a triple tax advantage. Plus, after age 65, you can use the funds for anything without penalty, just like a traditional IRA. And then there are brokerage accounts. These are more flexible and allow you to invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds without the restrictions of retirement accounts. While you won't get the same tax benefits, they offer liquidity and the ability to invest for short-term goals or simply to grow your wealth. When considering these accounts, think about your financial goals, your current tax situation, and your retirement plans. Diversifying your investments across these different accounts can help you maximize your returns and minimize your tax burden. Investing is not just about picking stocks. It's about understanding the tools at your disposal and using them wisely. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing investments, take the time to explore these options. Your future self will thank you. Imagine waking up each morning knowing that your business runs smoothly, even while you sleep. That's the power of AI. Today, I want to share how you can leverage artificial intelligence to not only make money, but also automate your business processes, freeing up your time for what really matters. First, let's talk about customer service. AI chatbots are revolutionizing how businesses interact with customers. They can handle inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses and solutions. This means happier customers and less strain on your human resources. You can set up a chatbot on your website or social media platforms, programmed to answer frequently asked questions, guide users through your services, and even take orders. The result? Increased sales and improved customer satisfaction without the need for constant human oversight. Next, consider using AI for data analysis. Businesses generate a massive amount of data every day, and sifting through it can be overwhelming. AI tools can analyze this data in real time, providing insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency. Imagine having a system that tells you which products are flying off the shelves and which ones are gathering dust. You can make informed decisions about inventory, marketing strategies, and even pricing, all based on solid data rather than guesswork. Now, let's dive into marketing automation. AI can help you create personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience. By analyzing user data, AI can segment your audience and tailor messages that speak directly to their interests. This means higher engagement rates and, ultimately, more conversions. Tools like email automation platforms can send out personalized emails at optimal times, ensuring your message lands when your audience is most likely to engage. Another area where AI shines is in content creation. Whether it's generating blog posts, social media content, or even video scripts, AI tools can help streamline the creative process. They can suggest topics based on trending keywords or even draft outlines that you can refine. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your content is relevant and engaging. Let's not forget about financial management. AI can assist in tracking expenses, forecasting revenue, and even identifying potential financial risks. Imagine having a virtual financial advisor that analyzes your spending patterns and suggests ways to cut costs or invest wisely. This kind of automation can lead to significant savings and smarter financial decisions. Finally, consider the power of AI in recruitment. Finding the right talent can be a daunting task, but AI can help streamline the hiring process. By using AI-driven platforms, you can filter resumes, assess candidate skills, and even conduct initial interviews. This not only saves time, but also ensures you're selecting candidates who are the best fit for your company culture and goals. Incorporating AI into your business isn't just about keeping up with the latest trends. It's about positioning yourself for success in an increasingly competitive landscape. By automating repetitive tasks, analyzing data, and enhancing customer interactions, you can focus on growth and innovation. The future of business is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace it and watch your business thrive.